Only a Handmaiden by Tigox MacGregor-Bromfield. As a handmaiden who already has a child, he felt he could treat me as pincushion for his dick. He would summon me for work, then force himself upon me. The whole event made me sick. His muzzle were his $100 bills. He knew of my need. Raising a son without a father, my body a plantation for his seed. Already damaged goods, I felt nothing but low esteem. Sleeping with one eye open, not sure if I was seen. Years later, I gained my freedom, but my heart in prison be. Felt unclean, felt used and thrown to rot. The gray hairs ticked on, but I never forgot. My humble home, my son set for me, but all I saw was a wallpaper of sins. I'm rocking in my chair and sticking myself with memory pins. My son looked at me in the eyes and asked, who stole my smile? I hesitated to respond, but he was of age, and we spoke for a while. He cried my tears for me, as I had no more to shed. He was angry and wished my master dead. But as I spoke, I healed. I felt life back in my face. Just getting it off my chest, I felt I shed all my disgrace. I asked my son to pray for us, to forgive the awful events. A smile returned to my face, and my son's hug pushed down the hatred fence. My advice to all who are hurting, don't bottle the hurt away. Pray for healing and shed all awful dismay.